Hand winch lift trucks operating instructions. Step 1. Adjust the legs to provide the desired wheelbase. Set the brake or lock the casters. Remove the forks and lock the carriage using the pivoting carriage latch. Slowly tilt the lifter backwards until the loading wheels contact the ground. Pull the leg adjustment peg and slide the leg in the desired direction. Reset the peg in the first or second adjustment setting as the job requires. Always maneuver the A-lift from the operator's position using the normal maneuvering stance. Grasp the operator handle at each end. This will provide the greatest degree of steering control. Walk behind the lifter and keep your feet clear of the casters. Move the lifter to a position near the intended load and lock both of the locking casters. Raise the forks to a comfortable height. Set the load on the forks. The load must rest against the back of the forks. Lower the forks until the load is a few inches above the adjustable leg. Step 4. Move the load to the desired location. After you arrive at the unloading destination, lock the casters or set the brakes. Unlock the winch handle and turn it clockwise until the load is positioned at a comfortable height. Lock the winch handle, remove the load, lower the forks until they are a few inches above the legs. Step 5. Return the lifter to its storage location. Engage the brakes, fold the winch handle, fully lower the forks, and set the handle latch pin to lock the winch handle.